Hi everyone, how are you? Nadine Wilkins here. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you're having an incredible and beautiful day. I had to jump on and share an early morning message with everyone. So first of all, there are miracles happening in the Wilkins household because my middle son, who is not an early riser, got up today. And my youngest son just gave me one of my gifts, which I'm so excited about. But I wanted to jump on and share a message with everyone that I believe will make a difference. See, this Mother's Day is unlike any other Mother's Day for me because I am really just grateful for just the simple things today. Like, I'm so excited about church online. I'm so excited about going on a walk or maybe bike ride with my sons. I'm also excited about being able to connect with friends and family. And I just wanted to jump on and just share a message for every single mom watching this video to let you know, number one, you are loved. Number two, you are appreciated. Number three, you are doing the most important job ever. This is what I always say. Listen, if you can raise a family, you can be the CEO of any company because you wear so many hats, right? Your mom, your counselor, your gym teacher, your teacher, your finance director. Like, you do everything. Hello, sometimes you're even a lawyer, right? We wear every single hat that you can possibly think of, and it is the most incredible opportunity to get to raise awesome adults, and I definitely don't take that lightly. And I know for me, it's been one of the most challenging things to do, but also the most rewarding because I see the fruit. I see the fruit in my children, and it's just a complete blessing. So for all the moms out there, know that you are loved. You are CEOs. Listen, you are running your household no matter, what hat you believe you wear. Definitely do not, diminish the role that you play, because one thing I know is this, and I know from this picture that my son drew, you see it says Teen Revolution. Our children are watching, right? They don't learn by what we say, they learn by what we do. So moms, for those of you watching this video, whatever dreams that you have in your heart that you have yet to fulfill, whatever it is that you said that you would do, now is the time to do it. Not just for you, but because our children are watching us. And when you are living your dreams, you will be so excited for your children to do the same exact thing. You will encourage it. Listen, I tell my children, we've all been given a dream. And don't let anyone, not even mom or dad or any other family member or friend, talk you out of your dreams. So moms, I just wanted to share a reminder with you and let you know how loved and important you are. You are so loved. You are so important, and you are doing the most incredible job ever. You are the CEO of your household. Take care, guys. Love you. God bless. Have a phenomenal Mother's Day. Take care.